a winter girl. In winter, I am a typical Igbo mbweke. So in summer, the European Nigerian girl in me comes to play. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Igbo. If you're stopping by for the first time, I am a YouTuber based in Zurich, Switzerland. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit the red subscribe button. Turn on your bell notifications so that you'll always get notified each time I upload a new video. And now let's get right into today's video. Yay! So today's video is about transitioning from Igbo girl to summer European girl. Anyway, it's not like I just arrived the country. I've been here for almost 7 years now, but summer gets me excited. Like, it's just like the feeling of Christmas. You can never get used to it. Each time we're approaching summer, I usually feel so happy. I feel so good. Like winter, I'm not a winter girl. In winter, I am a typical Igbo mbweke. So in summer, the European Nigerian girl in me comes to play. So, today I have a bunch of items I got. Ooh, they are from so yeah. I have a bunch of items I got. There is this shop I usually, there's this website I usually buy stuff. Like, they have been pre-owned. Some of, pre-owned here, because someone has actually bought it, has already bought it from the men's store where they are being sold. And then maybe after a while they decide to declutter their wardrobe, and then they don't find these particular items. They don't think they have the need for them, or they just want to reduce the quantity of clothes in their wardrobe, you know. One good thing about the decluttering is that it gives you room to buy more things. So for people that buy in quantities, like there are some people when they come to a shop, they can buy up to 10 items at a go. Or maybe they have an event to attend, they'll buy up to 5 items, and then after the event, they just manage to wear one, and then after the season, they don't wish to wear it again, and then decide to sell these items off. So some of these items are still with their labels, some have been removed. Most of them have not yet been worn. So I will be trying them on for you guys to see. And another benefit why I like shopping from this website is that I buy things for their things are way more cheaper than they usually cost in the stores. Like, let me say for something like Zara, maybe you go to the shop, the normal price might be around 120 Swiss francs. And then during sale, they sell them for, most times you don't get to see them in 50%. Maybe they sell them for 80 Swiss francs, and then someone buys this particular item from Zara, and then after a while, the person doesn't have need for it again and decides to sell it off. So you can imagine, let's say this person bought it at 40 francs, bought it at 80 francs. She might decide to sell it off at 30 francs. So you can imagine all the way from 120 to 30 francs. So that is why I like shopping here. You get items that are still brand new, and most times they are always more than 50% off of the original price. So I will be trying them on. Like this one, this is a pant. This one, it's according to the website, it said it has not yet been worn. Even this one that I'm wearing here, I don't know if you can see it properly. Like this one here, I got it from the website. I've already removed the label, so obviously I'm wearing it. I can't be wearing it like a label. I'm not a monkey. So let me go ahead and try them all on for you guys to see. And besides, by the way, I didn't buy these things all at once. Some have been here since last year. Like, there are some items that have been here. Like, I bought this particular one here. I bought it from the shop since last year. As you can see, still has the price tag. I bought it during sales towards the end of summer last year, and then when summer was like, it was towards the end of summer, I then decided to keep it and bring it out this year. So you can see it still has the label. One more expo: if you buy stuff, stop removing their labels in case you wish to resell them. Like, having the brand, the tag also adds to the value of the item. So let me say, if I'm to sell this off, like I got it at 70% off, I believe. Back then it was on sale. Oh, I can't see the label here, but I got it at 70% off. So I think I got it for, let me say, 30 something Swiss francs. If I am to resell it, of course, being that I got it at 70% off, I might wish to add money to it. Let me say I got it for 30 Swiss francs. I might wish to resell it for 50. That is, if people are willing to buy it at that price. Or if I am to go below I might decide to sell it at 25. But if because of this price tag, and then the sale price is not, the sale sticker is no longer, I can decide to sell it off at 40. Being, I hope you understand what I mean. Like, the price tag adds to the value of the item. So that is what I'm saying. I love this. I love this. This is a short. I will tell you, it also has this price tag, as you can see. Look at it. Look at it. This is from Guess. It has this price tag, and then the owner bought it at 129 euro. Wow. I think I got it for 30 Swiss francs, even though some people might say it's expensive. Like, this is, for me, it's like shopping on a budget. I know we have different budgets. My budget and yours might not be the same. So if I buy it for 30 francs, I consider it as a budget price, owing to how much, due to how much the original price cost. You can imagine, from 129 to 30 Swiss francs, that's more than 80% of, I believe. So yeah, I will go ahead and try them all on for you. Let's see how it will be. This is my first time doing something like this, so please be kind with your comments, okay? So let's get it started. So like this one, there's no need, I wouldn't put it on. This is from Elisabetta Franchi. I got it there, I think, for 27 Swiss francs. On the normal day, you won't even get this for 100 Swiss francs. So I wouldn't be putting it on. White and makeup are not friends. Once you put it on, you have to wash it, and I'm not ready to wash it now. So I love this. In fact, it's actually this red lipstick. This red lips that attracted me to it. When you wear white with a red lippy, you pop. I'm actually excited for this top. Like, seriously, less talking and more action. So first thing I'll be trying is this. It's a strumpfhose from Valentino. I got it for, I think, 20 or 19 Swiss francs. Even the ones at I mean, Zara here, I don't get at such prices. So for me, it's really, really cheap. I will try it on, and then I'll wear some stuff with it, and then we'll see how it goes. I'm so excited, you can tell. So I already wore that, and the next, but unfortunately I cannot show you. So I will go ahead and put on this shirt. I love this shirt, reason because it's actually a leather material, and I love these shirts because you can easily dress them up or you dress them down. So this, I'll try it on. So this is the shirt. It's kind of, now you can see the strumpfhose as well. Like, this is just so beautiful. I love this shirt. And this belt, you can also remove it, or you can adjust it to fit. It's the shirt. And this is the strumpfhose. This strumpfhose is actually very warm. It's very thin when looking at it, but it is really, really warm. So that is it. As you can see, it's beautiful. These shoes, I got it there. My problem with my shoes, this one has been pre-loved. As you can see, it has been pre-loved. So my problem with shoes is that getting my size. Like I do say, of all my perfect imperfections, the one that hurts me the most, is probably, is not even probably, is my feet, because it's always a problem to get my size. I wear 42, even sometimes 43. If I'm wearing sneakers or canvas, I have to go for 43, and it's sad because you come online, you see stuffs, other people buying stuffs, able to buy stuffs easily. For you to get yours is a problem. And these shoes, I also got them at a very cheap price. Like, the brand is Pretty Ballerinas, and they are actually very pricey. So for me to get these shoes, next one is this top. This is from the brand Essential Antwerp. As you can see, I just slide it. I'm just sliding it like that. So let me just imagine I'm tucking it in. Well, let's tuck it in at the same time. I love this shirt. I think it's probably one of the best items I got in this haul. Don't mind this belt, it's doing yet. What do you think about it? Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at that. Now, if I want to dress it up, just wear a blazer. Oh, this is an old one, but I also got it from the website, by the way. Like, if you're my friends all know I'm obsessed with pink. Now, look at that. You can easily put on a heely stuff, and you're good to go. Here, now tell me, where do you wish, or if this outfit should be yours, where will you wear it to? Tell me different shades of pink. My baby, so next I will be trying is this jumpsuit. It's from the brand Guess. It's from the same brand as this shirt. I actually love the brand, so I will be trying this one out. It's a jumpsuit, so don't think it's a gown. And I intend to wear this, to try it out with this leggings as well. So let's see. Okay, this is the jumpsuit. Actually, I will say I'm a little disappointed. Like, I was thinking here will be flaky, so that I never expected it to be this tight. Anyway, it's a jumpsuit. I actually have something like this, but then I was thinking it would be that way. Then I forgot that that one is a jumpsuit, like a short inside with a skirt on top. So that was exactly what I was thinking of this. But if not, I love the colors. It's beautiful, and I love the print. Actually, I had two of them, so I decided to take this one because the other one is also beautiful, just exactly like this, but in a different print. Like, is leaf, and most of my clothes here are in leaf prints. They have leaf prints or flower prints, so I wanted something different. So that was why I decided to choose this one. This one is animal skin. Although I was thinking it wasn't signed, but as soon as my husband walked in, he was like, where are you heading to? Oh, let me snap you a picture, blah blah blah. Oh, where are you heading to? Where are you heading to? Like, so that means it's hot. I said it. So this is the back, a little commotion for it, and now this is it. Like me, I will still wear it with something inside, but definitely not with this one. As you can see, the hem is coming down here, so I'll still wear it with. So I said if I'm to wear it, I will still wear it with something inside. But if you're confident enough, you have some flesh, you're a hot mom, you want to wear it, you want to show some flesh, you can obviously wear it without. But me, I'll definitely wear it with something inside. Yeah, next up, and probably the last will be these pants. As I said, it's summer. I'm excited. I look forward to wearing colors. I look forward to wearing prints. I look forward to wearing light clothes. Like this one is linen. It's from a senior brand of Zara. It's from Massimo Dutti. It's still new. I already removed the label, so I will go ahead and try this one. I think it's actually one of my favorite. In fact, everything in this collection is my favorite. Almost everything. I love almost everything I got. The only problem I have with this is that it's really snug at the waist, and it's not actually a problem, but the problem is that I have to be mindful of what I eat when I wear this out. And funny enough, I actually got it in a 40. I wear 38, like I'm between 38 and 40. But then I got this one in 40 so that it will definitely fit the way I want it. But as you can see, it's really tight here. So probably we need to reduce the waist. I gaga lipo. Reduce the waist, and that is it. It's actually beautiful. I love it. It's a linen material, and yes, let's step up for you to see. Yes. Now the last, okay, not really the last, but then I'll go ahead to try on these trousers. This one is from an Italian brand, Relish. It's made of polyester. I love it. It's a summer outfit. It's something you can easily wear, even though I don't know how it will help in regulating the temperature, but then let's see how it fits first of all. So this is it. I definitely know I wouldn't be wearing it with this top, so reserve your comments. This is it. I don't know if you can see me properly. Let me raise my feet up. Then you see it. On of this size. This is just it, and okay, I still have a top left. This should be the last one. I'll try it. I hope it fits. It looks small, but then the good thing is that I still got it at a very, very cheap price. It was a bargain, more like almost free from what the original cost. So, like I said before, it really looks tight. It looks small. Look, don't laugh. If you laugh, I send you a slap. Actually, I love how beautiful it looks. It looks beautiful. Like, I just love how small it is, and then with this flea. but unfortunately it's small, and I'm sorry there wouldn't be any commotion for the back of the dress because it's really snatched. Amongst all, tell me which one is your favorite. Tell me which one is your favorite. Which one do you love the most? What do you think about this one? One leg. Actually, this clothes is beautiful, but it's small. I wish it was really my size. But then, unfortunately, it is not my size. What do I do? Do you really want to see the back of this dress? It will not work today. Alright, so guys, we've come to the end of today's video. What do you think about it? I hope you loved it. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know which outfit is your favorite. Let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll see you all some other time. Until then, bye.